Can LLC losses offset W-2 income? Yes. LLC losses can sometimes offset W-2 income, but it depends on how your LLC is taxed. By default, single-member and multi-member LLCs are treated as pass-through entities, meaning profits and losses flow directly to the owner's personal tax returns. If your LLC has a net loss, you may be able to use it to reduce your overall taxable income, which can include W-2 wages from an employer. There are limits, though. The IRS requires that the losses come from a legitimate business with a profit motive, not a hobby. You also need to materially participate in the business for the losses to count against your W-2 income. In addition, your ability to deduct may be capped by passive activity loss rules, at-risk limitations, and overall income thresholds. If your losses are large, you may have to carry them forward to future years, instead of applying them all at once. The short answer is this: LLC losses can offset W-2 income in many cases, but IRS rules and limits apply. So it's best to document carefully and consult a tax professional to avoid issues. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and provide resources to keep your finances organized for easier tax reporting. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.